Hey everyone, this is Brett from Dennis Bernard Professional. Today I'm going to be here to show you guys how to eliminate the burning sensation of chemical processes by using STB Stop the Burn from our Powertools line. STB is an additive that prevents chemical burns, itching, scalp irritation, peroxide damage with color, perms, and other chemical services. It can be used with any formula because it is not affected by the chemical services themselves. So, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this on my global lightening service and my global color application service. Adding STB to your color formulas is super simple. Simply add 20 drops of STB to color or lightener mixtures. If you're doing a perm, then add 5 drops into the perm solution. What's also great is a good tip. It can also be applied to a sensitive area right out of the bottle to eliminate irritation. And then you would just apply as your color or lightener as normal. There is no changes to your formula because STB does not dilute. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Feel free to look at all of our products on DennisBernard.com and check out my Insta @BrettTrends. Give us a follow and follow our @DennisBernardPro on Instagram.